Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not working on Google Maps. You will click on settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about Google Maps and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Google Maps. And then here you will update your app if you find updating this blue sign. So please don't forget to support us.